Everyone, hoping that you all are doing fine and your studies are going well. So guys, as you know that CA and CS, some of the exams are going to class. Now question arising in the mind of CMA student who are along with CMA pursuing either CA or CS or both, whether CMA exam are also going to class with any of the other professional course like CA or CS. Okay, so guys, what will be my answer? And apart from this, I will also cover another important question. Okay, so as you know that guys, we CA Institute and CS Institute already released their timetable, and yet CMA Institute need to release the timetable. So obviously CMA Institute also see the timetable of other two institute, so there will be no such kind of clashing will happen. Now the other question arising in the mind of CMA student, suppose where after declaring the timetable of CMA Institute, if any of the other two institutes changes their timetable, and now the timetable, or you can say that some of the exams are going to clash, then what will be CMA student need to decide? If I am the student and I am facing the same problem, then I will see my condition. For example, I will take two examples. For example, one, if I am in the CMA final or intermediate of other remaining two professional courses, then I need to choose the final one. Okay, then CMA final. On the other hand, example 2, if I am in the final of CA or CS or in the inter of CMA, then I will go with the final one, means either CA or CS. Hoping that you are getting my point. This will be my strategy if I face the same problem. Okay, apart from this, we will pray to God, and yes, I can assure you that there will be no such kind of clashing CMA exams with CA or CS. We have also seen the same tradition in earlier also, in past also. So need not to worry, you need to focus on your study and continue your study. Okay, still you are facing any problem, if articleship training, whatever, you can ask me and surely I will try to help you. And if you are facing any problem in any particular subject, I can assure you, I can suggest you the best strategy to clear those particular exams in which you are facing the problem. Apart from this, you also know that every Sunday I am coming live to resolve all your queries, all your questions arising in the mind of CMA. If she is a foundation, inter or final, or facing any problem in training or articleship. Okay, so hope that you understand the two important questions arising in the mind of CMA student. Still you have any doubt, you can ask me and surely I will try to help you. From my side, that's all about in this video. Bye guys.